there, welcome back to Leilo and Ideias. Today I wanted to unbox my brand new Dyson Airstrait. I went to Sephora and I bought the one that is pink and rose gold, which is a limited edition. And since Sephora has their sale right now, I got it with 20% off discount. So that's always good for something that costs $499. We do appreciate when Sephora has a sale every now and then. So let's unbox this. Earlier this year, I tried to buy the Dyson Corrale, but when I opened it, it was not working. So I had to give it back, and then I had some store credit that I couldn't use it online, so I had to go in store today to buy this one. I am hoping that this one will work, because it was a little frustrating to buy the product and then not be able to use it, because I was really excited to use the Dyson Corrale. So it was sealed. I just popped the seal open, and now let's open the box. It has a sleeve. It's gonna be challenging. Once you take the sleeve out, it has the Dyson box that shows the kind of like, it's kind of cool. It kind of looks like it's showing like the components. I hope you guys can see it. Let me put it like this. It's a pretty heavy box. And then it's also sealed over here. That's always good. You don't want something that someone returned because it wasn't working, right? Now, this is gonna be the challenging part. And then, you know, once you open the seal, you pop it open. Oh wow, it's really beautiful in person. Let me hold it so it doesn't fall. Let me hold it like this. Here you can see it, the color. I don't know how many colors this product has, because the Airstrait is one of the most recent ones that they built, so I don't know if it comes in the traditional Dyson color as well. Once you lift that part, there is something here for you to take out. I think I know what it is. Let me unwrap it. It's a little pad for you to put it on when it's hot, so you can put it like on your bathroom or something, and while you're using, if you want to, like, you know, attach your hair. It's made out of silicone, it feels like. Here you have it. Another compartment here that looks like it has some instructions. Here I have to download the app, a quick start guide, and then a little how to use it. Always good to read those before turning anything on. And this is the plug, just like my Airwrap. It does have that other part here that also my Airwrap also has. It does look like it's a fairly long cable, so it looks like it's a good size. I'm noticing that everything is made of a cardboard, so they're making an effort not to put any plastic on their packaging, which is nice. And I can appreciate when they actually put a lot of effort into making the packaging, and, you know, like, even though they're not using plastic anymore, they're still making it in a way that it feels nice, it feels luxurious, you feel like you are paying for the $500. So over here you have the release button, and then it opens. It looks just like a flat iron, even though it's basically just air, so you can use this with wet hair because it doesn't have the hot plates, and so it mimics a hair straightener, but it's basically a blow dryer. I'm excited to try and see how that's gonna perform in my hair. I have like very fine hair, so sometimes it's challenging for me to style it. But then here you can see that you have all the other buttons. So this little pamphlet talks about idle mode, where if it's enabled, your machine will automatically drop to lower airflow between passes for easy styling. And then if you turn it off, then your machine selects the same level of airflow throughout the whole styling. So I guess it's supposed to be like a smart machine. So then they have another one that is a quick start guide. Under intelligence, it does mention that it does have a self-cleaning mode here where it projects 3 seconds of cold airflow every time you power on. And then also it does have alerts where the machine LCD screen will show when a maintenance task is due, for example, when you have to clean your filter. To be honest, with my Airwrap, I had it since 2020, and I think I only cleaned the filter once, even though I use it almost every single day. I don't think that it gets that dirty, at least where I live. So the buttons here are the control of temperature, the airflow, the cool mode, and the mode select here. You can select if you're going to be using it from wet to dry, or if you're gonna start already with dry hair. In terms of weight, it does feel around the same weight as the Airwrap. It does feel maybe a little bit lighter than the Airwrap. I will see when I start using it, but overall I just really like the color. I think it's a really beautiful color. I'm not gonna lie, I really wanted the Dyson Corrale. I do think that the premise of, having a cordless flat iron is pretty nice, but then after reading so many reviews and the experience of going to the store and buying something that was damaged kind of left a sour taste in my mouth. So I opted not to try it again and then go for this one instead. But I'm excited to try this one. I really like this color. But we will see how it performs. Like I mentioned, I do have my Airwrap for the last 4 years and I use it almost every day. So I'm pretty confident that if this Dyson works when I plug it on the wall, it's probably going to be a great product, just like the Airwrap that I had for so many years. And maybe once I start using it for a few months, I can do a follow-up video on this product. Let me know in the comments if you like to take a look and see a video or maybe a short where I'm using the product so you can see how it performs on my fine hair. But for now, this was the unboxing. Just wanted to show real quick how it came in the box and what is in the box and everything like that. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. And if you're new here, my name is Layla and welcome to Layla on the Dais. And I'll see you guys next time.